To be honest, I cannot tell because, of course, I've been there. I think we're up close to 10 times now, and you always find something new, something interesting. So I would say it's the diversity of companies and products that makes it interesting. So every visit is a good visit.
One of the funnest was when we launched our Green Line units at the EMO 2011, because that was so fun to launch a product. But every show is a great experience for us, I would say, because it attracts more and more leads, and it gives us more and more valuable clients and good relationship with clients. Digitalization is a difficult process because it means also that people that are not used to work in a certain way has to use it to work in a new way. What also I want to emphasize again is the Umati, which I think is a fantastic initiative from VDV, because creating a platform that will be easier for the customer to get all the information from no matter which machine tool manufacturer or peripheral product that could be connected to the OPC UA platform creates huge benefits for the customer and their productivity.